AMD Radeon VII, 16 gigabytes of HBM2. Not fixed. So it looks at 91.7. So it's all relatively the same amount of power usage here. So almost 30 mega hash, which is right in line with what the 2080 Ti was putting out. The 2080 Ti was just over 30. 55 would be a lot on prog proof of work. Nothing's close to 55. The Titan V does 36 mega hash, to give you an idea. And that's a $3,000 GPU. We're at 2,470. Here's some Kryptonite for you. 3,050. Oh, it dropped down some. I think it's temp throttling. We're at 3,050. We're back up to 335 as the fans kicked up. Yeah, it's holding at 2.4 at 392 watts. I can't wait to start playing with the wattage here. I think we can still get some of these good numbers and drop the wattage quite a bit. 30 mega hash. 29, 28, 27. So it's got a tough round there. So RVN came out of the box at 30 mega hash. Having a really tough round there. That's a pretty rough range there. It dropped 11 mega hash. Now it's starting to work its way back up. It's up to 20. It's getting an easier round, so it's up to 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 5.12. So we're talking 808 at 713 is as low as we can go there. I'm still leaving the overall power limiter down. I don't even think that we're even going to hit this, so we're just going to put it at negative 20. We're going to leave the memory still at max because we want the max memory performance that we can. So now we're down to max performance of Vega 64, which was about 41.7 mega hash at 90 watts. Less than 90 watts, 88 watts. So now we're at 88 watts on card for 41.6 mega hash. So we're at 15.02 on Prog Pow. 15 at, what is that, 120, 135. So we're at 100 watts, 1200 hash for 50 watts. That is like CPU performance to hash power. 1207 on BitTube using 50 watts of power. It is at 1.18, 118 watts. 1333, 14, 1470. Looks like 14, almost 1500 for 70 watts. Hey, look at that. We're at we're up to 10 mega hash. I'll have to let this run, but we're at 10 mega hash on the Radeon VII at 50 watts on RVN. Full system, which would be 50 watts. I'm interested to see how high it goes with a good round. Now we're seeing what Grin's getting, 2.5 at 50 watts, essentially. So Grin popped off a 2.5.